Hi and welcome to another video, Pete's AI Product Development Masterclass, and in this video we're going to actually produce a product. You see how I created this GPT to allow people to communicate with the course. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to build one yourself. Building these is pretty simple. There's three major things. There's creating the GPT, there is the data that you load into the GPT for the consumer to interact with, and then three, there are the custom instructions, which is the brains behind that GPT. So for the data for this GPT, it was very simple. We got the video. Just scroll down to more, show transcript, go to the bottom, copy all that text into a text file, which looks like this. There you go. So I copied that to a text file so I can upload it to the GPT. And then this is the data of the actual chat log. Unfortunately, when you share these, because it's got images, they don't let you share a thread that's got images in it for some reason, probably for hosting. So I copied all of that into a Google Doc, which I gave to you guys. Just a Control-A, Control-V into this, and then I copied that again into a text file, which is the GPT doc. So let's start from scratch. You load up ChatGPT. It will load here in a second. You go explore GPTs, create. And now you're inside creating your own GPT. So you give it a name. We'll get back to the custom instructions in a bit. Conversation starters. And now we're up to the knowledge. So you go to upload files and upload all your files. These files are what the GPT reference. Particularly if you tell it in the custom instructions, they need to reference the uploaded text files before answering. And that's important because if it doesn't, sometimes it can hallucinate and make up its own ideas of what it thinks is correct. But if you tell it in the custom instructions like this, and that will make sure that every time one of your users asks a question, it references these documents that you've uploaded into the GPT. Once you create it, you will see it arrives here. So you go explore GPTs, my GPTs, and there's the Pete test that I just created. That's the one I created the other day. What's important is these conversation starters. So the questions are important because you know this data set more than obviously your viewers. So it's important to use conversation starters that help get your viewers the maximum value out of that content by asking the correct questions relative to the data you're supplying them. And also in the questions you can communicate with your audience like this. So in the custom instructions you can put if asked, answer with. So if they click on this here, they will get this answer. Answer with Pete is creating a GPT. So now I'll save that. To save it, I'll just create it, and then I'll make it available public or just people with a link or only me. In this one, I'll just do only me. So I'll copy that link, open a new browser window. Now in theory, if I click on here, it should say what I just typed. Pete is creating a GPT. Perfect. And then it pulled data from the files I uploaded because I told it to there. Another thing you can do after, you can put every or second or third or fourth, every answer provide this content below. For example, so I'll update that. Update. Okay, so that's updated. Go back here. New chat, start here. Pete's creating a GPT. To learn more, visit ParasiteX GPT. So these are really good opportunities to connect with your audience and get them outside of this platform into your own platform, etc. Now let's just get back to here and talk about these data sets. That can be anything. It could be a sales page for your product. You control your whole sales page, save that to a text file, upload it here, and then people can have a conversation with your sales page. Or it can be PDF documents, it can be XLS spreadsheet files, it can be any files you like. You can upload, I can't remember from memory, it's a couple of gigabyte worth of files. And you're restricted to 20 individual files over 2 gigabyte of size. So that's a whole lot of data that you can train your GPTs on. The other important thing is giving your GPT web searching abilities or not, and you can give access or not there. Allow your GPT to create images there, and code interpreter and data. That is like, in simple terms, allowing the GPT to use math or read files that you upload to, that your user uploads to the GPT. Honestly, the best resource for building and creating more comprehensive GPTs is YouTube. There are so many great tutorials on even custom instructions, like search YouTube for OpenAI GPT custom instructions. You will find a bunch of awesome videos going in depth just into custom instructions. These are an amazing resource to give away for free to help educate your user base about what your product is. For example, how is Pete using RSS in ParasiteX GPT? Pete is using RSS in ParasiteX GPT in a very strategic and innovative way. Here's how it works. Like, that's gold. Like, I've got this AI promoting my product. You know, it does not get any better than that. And I'll just close on this. Since we're talking about Parasite SEO, these GPTs are an amazing parasitic opportunity, in that OpenAI has a DR of 90, 95, whatever. When you create a GPT, when creating the name, take into consideration the SEO, the keyword phrase that you use, because these rank really well straight out of the box, but you will need to get them indexed. Once you've created it, maybe you've got an offer, or use Index Me Now or similar to get it indexed. Like for launch jacking, you can do brand name discount. People come here and the question is, would you like a discount on brand name? And then it will provide it to them with your affiliate link underneath. Very, very cool. There are endless opportunities with these things. I'll show you how many I've created. These are my GPTs. Trojan Horse Email Script Creator. Wait till you see that. Affiliate link generators, they're perfect for that. SEO Article Master. I loaded up a GPT with a transcript from a YouTube video with Gary Brecker's health tips. That's epic. And there's my first AI Albert, which I use and then put into the custom instructions for my main OpenAI chat. So there you go. That's the video on GPTs. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.